Hey, skincare enthusiasts, let's talk about our favorite thing, skincare. It's a journey of discovery, trying new products, finding what works. It's all about that healthy glow up, and trust me, I've got a secret weapon to share. This skincare superstar is about to change your routine. Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to Jan Inspires, your go-to spot for all things beauty, skincare, and self-care. Make sure you're subscribed for all the beauty scoop you need today. We're about to explore a skincare ingredient that's been getting a lot of buzz lately, niacinamide. Whether you're a skincare newbie or a seasoned pro, this one's for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is niacinamide? It's a form of vitamin B3, but what makes it so special? Well, it's not just any vitamin, it's a powerhouse that can transform your skin in multiple ways. Don't worry, no chemistry test here. We're keeping it simple and straightforward. Think of niacinamide as your skin's best friend, always there to help out. Just think of it as a magic potion for your skin. Imagine having a single ingredient that can tackle a variety of skin issues from acne to aging. Seriously, this ingredient does it all. Whether you're dealing with redness, uneven skin tone, or fine lines, niacinamide has got you covered. From fighting breakouts to minimizing pores, it works wonders. Imagine waking up to clearer, smoother skin every day. Niacinamide is a skincare must-have. It's versatile and can be found in various products from serums to moisturizers. Wondering if niacinamide plays nice with your other skincare favorites? The answer is yes. It's gentle and plays well with other products. You don't have to worry about it causing irritation or clashing with your existing routine. So, how do you incorporate niacinamide into your routine? It's simple. Start with a serum or moisturizer that contains this ingredient. Apply it after cleansing and before your heavier creams. Consistency is key. Use it daily to see the best results. Over time, you'll notice your skin becoming more resilient and radiant. Niacinamide not only improves the appearance of your skin, but also strengthens its barrier, making it more resistant to environmental stressors. Pair it with a healthy lifestyle, and you're on your way to achieving that coveted glow. Remember, skincare is a journey, not a sprint. Share your skincare journey with friends and family. Spread the word about the benefits of niacinamide and help others achieve their skin goals too. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself. Your skin will thank you. Now, let's talk benefits. Niacinamide is a multitasker. It tackles those pesky breakouts, calms redness, and if large pores are your concern, niacinamide works to tighten and refine them. It even helps with uneven skin tone and texture. It can fade dark spots and even out your complexion, giving you that radiant glow we all crave. Perfect for those with oily or combination skin, it helps regulate oil production without drying you out. Fine lines and wrinkles, niacinamide can help with those too. Niacinamide is anti-inflammatory, making it great for calming down redness and irritation. It boosts collagen production, keeping your skin plump and youthful. Hello, glow up. We've all been there. Breakouts, redness, dryness. These skin issues can be frustrating and can affect our confidence. Whether it's a sudden breakout before an important event, persistent redness that just won't go away, or dry, flaky skin that feels uncomfortable, we've all faced these challenges at some point. Niacinamide comes to the rescue. Niacinamide helps strengthen your skin barrier, locking in moisture. It enhances the skin's natural ability to retain water, keeping it hydrated and plump. This means less dryness, less irritation, and more comfort for your skin. It's a game changer for real skin problems. With consistent use, niacinamide can transform your skin, making it clearer, smoother, and more resilient. So, whether you're dealing with breakouts, redness, or dryness, niacinamide is a solution worth trying. Embrace your real skin and tackle those real problems with real solutions. I'm not the only one obsessed with niacinamide. This powerhouse ingredient is making waves across the globe. Skincare gurus everywhere are raving about it. From YouTube tutorials to Instagram stories, niacinamide is the star of the show. From dermatologists to beauty bloggers, everyone's a fan. Experts love its versatility and effectiveness. It's gentle enough for sensitive skin and effective for all skin types. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, niacinamide works wonders. Personally, I use niacinamide twice per day, morning and night after I cleanse and use my toner. I use this serum to help with texture and a few enlarged pores I specifically use the Ordinary brand, which is quite affordable. Another brand I use is Good Molecules brand, which is even cheaper and easily accessible. I will link both of these in the description for you. Incorporating niacinamide into your routine is easy. Look for serums, moisturizers, and toners that feature this ingredient. Always check the label and start with a lower concentration if you're new to it. Gradually increase as your skin gets used to it. Consistency is key. Use it regularly and you'll start to see the benefits in no time. Share the love. Tell your friends and family about niacinamide. They'll thank you for it. Self-care is important and niacinamide makes it even better. Treat yourself to a skincare routine that works. You might be thinking, is niacinamide right for me? The answer is probably yes. It's great for all skin types, whether you're dry, oily, sensitive, or somewhere in between. And since it's so gentle, it's perfect even if you're just starting to build your skincare routine, but also remember that each person's skin is different, and what works for me might not work for you, and vice versa. So there you have it, the wonders of niacinamide. It's a skincare game changer that delivers real results. From fighting breakouts to boosting radiance, this ingredient does it all. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Jan Inspires, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on all the beauty goodness. Until next time, stay glowing, stay gorgeous, and remember, you've got this.